So hello guys, this is our forecast on November 8, 2 p.m. 2 o'clock in the afternoon Philippine time. So the Super Typhoon O1 is intensifying about 250 km per hour. So this is quite intense strength of Super Typhoon O1. So in the next couple of hours, so we will see the forecast, guys, okay, on the screen. So this is 8 o'clock in the evening, 8 o'clock, and then this is November 9 2 AM, and then this is November 9 8 AM. So this Super Typhoon, guys, is very massive, that it covers the entire area of Luzon, as well as to the north, Batanes Islands, and even Visayas region, especially I think Bohol. So you can see Bohol here, or northern part of Cebu, even Cebu City. So please be alert, guys. Pray, prepare in advance, go to higher grounds. So this is not a joke. This is a very strong Super Typhoon. Gustiness of about 200, even 280 km per hour before it starts landfall to the eastboard of the Philippines. So this is, guys. So this is 9 on the evening. So you expect still the typhoon, in Manila, 9 evening. This is 10 2 AM. So hopefully, guys, you'll be safe out there, in especially our friends in living in Luzon and Manila. Please share this video, that this is not a joke. So prepare seriously, guys.